Welcome to Innovation Synergy and to an exciting journey into the world of education. Teaching is a noble profession, but it comes with its fair share of challenges. From struggling to engage students to navigating the ever-changing educational landscape, educators often find themselves seeking support and resources to enhance their teaching methods. One of the significant obstacles faced by educators is course design. Creating a well-structured and engaging curriculum can be a daunting task. Many teachers spend hours trying to put together lesson plans, but it's challenging to ensure that every student stays involved and motivated. In these online courses, we address these course design dilemmas head-on. You'll learn proven strategies to organize your content effectively, incorporate multimedia elements, and create a seamless learning journey for your students. We will focus on mastering pedagogy to tackle these predicaments. You'll discover dynamic teaching methods that cater to diverse learning needs, from hands-on activities to digital tools that enhance comprehension. Get ready to see your students' excitement for learning soar. These courses delve into nurturing significant teaching and learning. You'll gain insights into building strong teacher-student relationships, providing constructive feedback, and fostering a supportive classroom community. Empower your students to thrive academically and emotionally. Don't let these challenges hold you back from becoming the exceptional educator you were meant to be. Join our online courses today and unlock your full teaching potential. We are ready when you are.